Okay, I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes.
So okay, so just to introduce actually ଥରେ ଏମିତି ଅଞ୍ଜନ ଭାଇଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଆମେ କଥା ହଉଥିଲୁ କି about a ଓଡିଆ thread କି ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଏତେ ସାରା ଓଡିଆଜ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମେରିକାରେ but ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ where to find them, right, and how to invite them and how to make our grow our community and make it bigger. So while discussing that, what we thought is how to do that. Then what we thought is why not do that through the social media, because that is the this generation way of communication, and that's where people are building community. And why not use the social network and try to find out the people, and we can build our community according to that. And so while doing that, what idea came to our mind is the world, it's a small scale world. Everybody is, by a theory, everybody is maximum 5 to 6 degree distance from everyone, right? So you consider any person in the world, I might be knowing him through 4 or 5 degrees of separation from me, right? Like I know someone, that guy knows someone, that guy knows someone, and that is the person that I'm trying to find out. सो तो आम ट्राए कलु कि सोशल नेटवर्क को लेवरेज करवा आमर कम्युनिटी जो ओडिया माने यूएस रे अछंती तांको फाइंड आउट करवा सो दैट हमें हम कम्युनिटी ग्रो कर परिबा एंड हाउ टू डू दैट, हाउ टू पुट दिस फिल्टर, बिकॉज़ सोशल नेटवर्क इज ह्यूज एंड दैट्स वेयर वी ट्राई टू यूज द एआई. So what we started with is we first tried to explore the network of Twitter, because that's where the tech community is very active. And then our objective was to find two kind of network. One, the person should be a ODA and he or she should be from USA. So what we targeted is we will spot the techie ODI influencers, or the ODS influencers who are in the US, and we will traverse through their social network and find out in the connections, because they will have large number of connections. We'll find out who will qualify to our criteria. Basically, the persons we are trying to find out. So we try to spotlight the influencers, get their connection details through different APIs and all. Then we use the the machine learning models and all to put the filter, right? And then we try to find out the connections and where we can reach out to them through the DM or any other means. Now, आम पाखे दुईटा ही क्राइटेरिया थिला सर्च करिया पई कि आमे ओडिया फाइंड करिया चाहूछ जो माने यूएस रे अछंती, तो सेथि पई आमे दुईटा क्लासिफायर बनेइथलु जोथरे कि से ट्विटर कनेक्शन र डिटेल्स which is publicly which can be publicly available through Twitter, ताकू नै कि केमिति भाबरे आमे डिसाइड करि परिबा if that person is of our concern or not. And just to mention here, एई आम पाखरे किछि लैबलिंग डेटा नथिला ए क्लासिफायर्स बनिया पई, तो आमे बहुत सारा डेटा ऑगमेंट निजे तैयारी करितलु विथ डिफरेंट मेथड्स एंड सोर्सेस. तो आमे सौमेंद्र जो प्रेजेंट करूथिले फेक ओडिया नेम जनरेशन, राइट? तो ताकू भी यूज करितलु एज पार्ट ऑफ दिस. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेंशन. तो आमे जस्ट गोटे वीडियो देखा चाहूँ एथे आमे जहा बिल्ड करिछु एट दिस करंट स्टेज. सो मु ट्विटर यूजर नेम सर्च कली, तो सेथरे से कनेक्शंस एक्सप्लोर कला और से थ्रू जो कनेक्शन हम क्राइटेरिया फिल अप करछंती तांको सिलेक्ट कला एंड आपने इथरे डीएम कले, डीएम ट्विटर रे जीवार. Now, if we go to the next phase, so this is the phase where we are now. We started it a little lately, and so now where is our plan? The plan is, हमें काहे के if we are following this framework, why only to limit ourselves from to search ODS from USA, right? Suppose if this framework can be used in different ways. Suppose you are moving to a new city and you don't know what to do. You like traveling, you want to connect to the travelers there. Suppose you are you shifted to a city and you are so interested about hackathons and meetups and all, and then you are trying to find people with your similar interest, right? And anything. Suppose we are making a OSA convention now, we are trying to reach more people to build more audience, and why not to use this framework there? So that's what we are planning to do. But I think in the coming time. This is basically currently we are only leveraging the Twitter social media. We will try to add more social networks where people will be more visible. And then we now have built only two filters, right? This is where a lot of efforts go for the processing and model building and everything. So we have only two filters, whether the person is ODI or not, and whether he's from US or not. So we can put more filters, right? Which will make fulfill the requirements that we have. Like suppose you want to go to a new city and you want to find travelers there, then maybe there will be some filters which you can apply to get those. And then you get the list who are the users who are filtered from the vast network that we scanned out. And then if you want to send a DM or anything to those, then you can do that. You put it here and you send them, and you can reach out them so easily, right? Rather than trying to find out here and there. And this is, as I said, this can be on Twitter. The way of reaching out might be a little different for other social networks, which we'll explore while we add more. And so these all are because of the diversified team. So the Rotik is a class, he is a he is going to school, and then Prasansa is there, then Biswajit and Abhijit, Subhadarshi and Amjan Bhai, they are very helpful in the ideation. They are very helpful throughout the ideation and how to execute that. So now this is our idea, right? So what we have kind of tried to build a small prototype, and we are trying to explore it more, because community is what matters to spread things, spread awareness, and help each other. So if we have a lot of plans of adding like these new social medias, build more filters so that we can go to different diversified more communities. So if anybody wants to feel this can be customized and used in their use case, or try to sponsor it, or if anybody wants to be the part of the project, where he can be part of the team, and he or she can be part of the team and contribute to how we are doing our we are all we are waiting for your emails or anything. And yeah, so that's all. And I believe, yeah, thank you, Anjan bhai, for giving me the chance to present this.
Oh, so a little efforts like this would take us a long way. Anyone who wants to actually mentor and build this team, I hear a lot of talks, but this is a talk which this is a project which can be open sourced, and Samit himself is a data scientist. He can. So basically, as he says, he needs two things, right? One, to be an open source contributor. And if you have a customized use case, I see some of you in marketing, in the field of marketing, you would want to use this. I mean, if you can write me to write, so we can actually write a lot of business cases based on that. But yeah, you know that there is an open source project, ODI open source project called Hansa, that can be used as directory mining for a community. Scale up and can be applied in many different places. So with this, thank you